How to book flight tickets online on AirAsia. So if you want to book your flight tickets on your AirAsia, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go with your browser and you need to search for airasia.com and go with www.airasia.com and it will take you to the website. And you'll have this kind of interface. Like if you want to book flights, then you just need to simply go with the from destination. So enter your from destination. For example, I'll be choosing from destination, and then you need to go with to, and you need to choose a to destination. And once you've selected the destinations, you need to select the departure date. For example, I'm choosing 31st of December, and you need to go with the return. You can simply choose the return ticket, and after that you need to go with search, and here you will find all of the flights right here. So you just need to simply go with the right side, and then you need to select the ticket. So this one is for the economy. You will have for this many rupees or dollars, anything like that. And you will also have the combo price. You can scroll down and you can find any option that you're comfortable with and then go with select, which is on the right side. You can also go with the left side and then you can go with stops and the price range and the airlines. You can simply choose all the other airlines and you can go with departure time and go with the right side and go with select, and after that go with book, which is right here, and add your payment method and book your flight. So that's how you can book your flight tickets on your online AirAsia. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.